Using coupons on Sugargoo is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can use coupons on Sugargoo. Well, the process is pretty simple. So for that, as you guys can see, I'm at the Sugargoo's website. Now here, you simply have to make sure to log into your account. Now, after logging into your account, you simply have to select any of the product that you want to buy and add that product into your cart. And then you simply have to, take this product to the end section where you are just one click away to place the order. So after doing all of these things, what you have to do is you simply have to click on your profile. Now, after clicking on your profile, you will see this your profile section. Here you have to scroll down until you see this my coupons section. Now here you have to tap on that. Now there you go. These were all the coupons that I can use. Now suppose I want to use this one, so you just have to click on use and it will automatically take you to your orders which you have not placed. So it will also contain your placed or non-placed order. You just have to click the right one according to you, and there you go. Your coupon will be applied. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.